Organizations using Dynamics 365 and SharePoint generate thousands of business documents every day, from proposals and contracts to invoices, case files, and project documents. Many organizations depend on users to manually enter metadata. This creates inconsistencies, increases administrative effort, and makes governance difficult as document volumes grow. To address this, SharePoint Security Sync offers metadata synchronization. The feature allows administrators to map Dynamics 365 fields directly to SharePoint metadata columns through a simple configuration process. Business information already stored in Dynamics 365 becomes the single source of truth for document metadata. Once mappings are configured, SharePoint Security Sync automatically transfers relevant metadata to associated documents in SharePoint. No manual tagging, no duplicate data entry. Metadata is applied automatically and consistently. With accurate metadata available, users can leverage SharePoint search and filtering capabilities to quickly locate relevant documents. This results in reduced administrative effort, improved data consistency, enhanced searchability, and a more structured SharePoint environment. Go beyond document security. Bring business context, consistency, and control to every document with metadata synchronization in SharePoint Security Sync.